I've been lucky in my career to work on some incredible instruments. Historic guitars, high-end custom builds, stuff I could only dream of when I first got into music. But honestly, some of my favorite days in the shop are when I'm doing repairs on everyday guitars. The Mexican Strats, the $150 pawn shop specials, those guitars, they're where it all started for me. My first guitar was a Yamaha Pacifica I got for next to nothing at a pawn shop. And even though I've had the chance to play some of the best guitars in the world, like this one time, my boss sat me down with a 1965 Tobacco Burst Strat and played it through a 1952 Fender Tweed Deluxe. It was amazing. That was like one of the highlights of my career. He just left me alone in the shop with those two for hours. And it was amazing. But I still love the Pacifica more than anything. Why? Because it was mine. I learned everything on that guitar. Played shows in dive bars and frat houses and festival stages. It went everywhere with me in one of the most important times of my life. That guitar wasn't just an instrument, it was me. So like a lot of people assume I'm a guitar snob because of all the other work I do. But I love those guitars, the ones that have been through it, the ones that are part of somebody's journey. And I love the look on a client's face, especially the younger players, when they pick up their guitar from my shop and I've turned it into something that plays like a dream, something that plays like $1,000 guitar. Seeing that excitement, that's the best part of my job. Designing and building high-end custom guitars is amazing, and I sometimes can't believe I get to do that for clients all over the world. Same with working on historic pieces. It's just a huge privilege to bring some, 1940 Gibson back to life. But helping the day-to-day musician, helping someone with their first guitar or the one that they've been playing for years is just as rewarding for me. I get to make their instrument play better than they ever thought it could, and that feels just as important to me as all the other stuff. So at the end of the day, it's not about how much a guitar costs. It's about what it means to the person who owns it. Every guitar has a story, and being part of that story, helping someone love their guitar even more, that's what keeps me coming back to the bench every day.